Hello everyone. I know there are some issues out there that we've been made aware of within Google Classroom, such that if you are a co-teacher in the classroom, you're getting kind of a strange message that some of your colleagues are not getting, saying that the host has to be in the meet, and in fact you should be able to be the host as well. So I'm going to walk you through the fix that we found for this. So I'm in just a test classroom right now. I'm going to show you the first thing that's most important is to make sure that the various co-teachers are in fact added as co-teachers, so that you have yourself there in the list. So that for a prep teacher or whatever it might be, just make sure you are in fact enabled as a co-teacher. If you are not, you can have the homeroom teacher or whatever it may be add you or invite you as a co-teacher. But I'm going to go back to the stream, although you can get to this in a number of ways, and I'll show a couple of them here. So the first thing is to go over here. The Meet link is now included here. It used to be underneath the banner for your classroom. It's now right over here. And what teachers that are having this issue where they're a co-teacher and they're not able to join a classroom are going to have to do, it's saying that you can't join without the host being there, and they should have that permission as well. You need to go into the three-dot menu, the More menu here, and one of the ways to do this is right here. It's under Manage, and when you get into this section here, what you need to do is to go over to this little drop-down menu here, and you're going to reset the link. So you reset the link, and it will say that this link will be reset from its current one. So I think it's best practice to have students or admin or other Rotary teachers, whoever it may be, join your classroom through, or join your Meet, through your classroom Meet link. So this will mean that if you've been relying on having a static Google Classroom, Google Meet link, you won't be able to do that anymore. But it's the only way to fix this problem for co-teachers. So I'm going to hit reset on that there. The other way to do that is to go up here under the cog, the gear up here, where your settings live, and you can go in this section and just scroll down a little bit, and you get that same preference pane or settings panel here, and you have that same option available to you here. You can then just reset the link. It'll give you that same message that it will replace the current link, which is what you want to do. And then for the teacher or educator that's having issues being told that they're a co-teacher and they can't get in, they can't start a Meet the way they should be able to, the last step is simply that they're going to have to close their Google Chrome browser and then reopen it. And once they do that, they should have the same permissions and abilities to start a Google Meet as all of their other co-teachers. So again, I hope that's helpful. Let us know if you have any questions.